So this is going to be another quick video of Mechanig. It's going to demo the dash and panel sections in the Unity. So basically for dash you have enabling, disabling the dash blur and selective blur type. Out of the box you have the dash blur enabled and you have active blur. I can disable the dash blur. As you can see now there's no blur. I can enable and I can flick between active and static. I'm not going to show static because it doesn't really like my video card. For the applications list, you can disable show more suggestions, enable disable more suggestions, or enable disable recently used. I'm not sure this is going to work because I think it requires to restart Unity, but anyway, if you switch that to off and you go to the application lens, that should be disabled. Now the application lens doesn't really work for the first time and it's back in Unity. Actually, it's supposed to work from the second time. Yes, as you can see now, there are no recently used here. And I can disable and enable online suggestions. Basically, online suggestions are the shopping lens, so now they are enabled. And if I type shot here, you get these suggestions here. If I disable that, you get no suggestions. Panel sections, you already know about it with redesigned here. Now those tabs here are not going to look just like those tabs because they're basically the same design and it's tabs inside tabs, which is really silly. So we are going to have to do something about it, but I'm just going to demo the options that work here. So you can enable, disable the panel clock here. You can set up the time format like this or like this. You can show the seconds, show the date, show the week date, show the calendar on click. As you can see now there's no calendar here. From the session indicator you can disable and enable, disable the user real name. You can enable, disable the power indicator and show the battery remaining life and tweak the behavior to be always visible or visible when charging or discharging. You can enable, disable the sound indicator and you can enable the Bluetooth indicator. And that's pretty much it, so see you in the next video.